They don't arrest 43 years old man after his 9 years old daughter come outside tell us the story of how the man they consistently they rape am. Abeg, before I go talk past the one wey I wan talk, I wan make una hear the girl by una sef. 9 years old girl. Join me, make we watch the video.
Esther,
How old are you?
9 years,
What class are you?
primary 3.
What's the name of your school?
Adeni Northern Primary School.
Okay. So this morning you said your stomach was paining you.
Yes.
Why?
My daddy is fucking me.
That is fucking. Do you know the meaning of fucking? What's the meaning?
Daddy means
I didn't do it.
As I dey talk to una now, Lagos State domestic and sexual violence don come outside come give us the latest news say now they don arrest the father and the girl they don take am go into protective custody because of this whole thing wey happen. Abeg, how we wan protect our children again, especially the girls? Because I don dey as I hear this matter, I don dey think am. I say I go bring am come here. Abeg, if you get any idea how we fit protect our female children, I need answers. I no even just understand all these fathers wey dey come from hellfire. I no know where they dey send them from. I no know how they even dey come marry person, give birth. I no just understand. 9 years old girl, na you open mouth dey talk fucking 9 years. And I no go believe am. The reason said why this guy even dey mention that word, e dey possible say as maybe as the father dey do am, e dey talk am. Which kind demonic human beings person? God, may I not have this kind of person as a husband? I refuse it. I reject it. No. Calamity upon calamity every day. Una say that nonsense thing what they do, man rape in pikin, or even if it doesn't have to be blood. What una go dey talk say he's under arrest. I beg, enough of arrest. I think death sentence should be, in fact, death by hanging. It should be the punishment for this thing. Which one is arrest? No, arrest. You know go better for this man. And then the other man, you know say they watch me, they listen to me. You know go better for you. You know say they do this thing. Then go say this guy even come outside, can't talk. Now imagine the ones where we no even know. Imagine those ones where they quiet, where they don't threaten them, say if you talk, I'll kill you. Imagine those ones where they die in silence every day. How we feel protect our daughters? I ask again. This thing dey heartbreaking. It dey heartbreaking. I no just understand. Like, if the person where we suppose trust, now they defile our pikin, I no just understand. Wetin make we do? How man go get sexual feelings for him child? How? I don't know. They tell me say no be juju. When they tell me say no be how? How? Even on a normal day safe, e get guys where if I see, nothing even they move. Nothing they move me. Not to talk of my blood. How na they do am? I no just understand. Which babalawo na they see? Who? See. Forget all these things wey we dey do. My people, something is wrong. Something is wrong. I know just on. I don't know where they come from, but something is wrong. How you? I bet make I no just faint because the way only the imagination of this thing, they make me like I know just if assuming I get this man in front of me now. I beg, I repeat, stop this arrest. It's not the work now because say in fact all these rapists who na they see, whether I'm a biological rapist or no biological rapist. The reason why they comfortable inside the nonsense when they do now because they don't say no be arrest. If we go there, we will even settle the officers. We go give them something. Arrest. I beg, they should increase the punishment, do something where if they think about and if they remember, that thing will stand, it go down. You arrest. My people, me, I don't even get the strength to continue this matter. So anywhere I stop, I better make you continue for me for that comment section. And I need answer, Biko. Any idea where you get, anything where you know say feel help us for this situation, because start the dropper for that side. Very, very important. And help me share this video, because this thing don't they become pandemic. We need spread them. We need spread this news. We need solutions fast as possible. So I bet share this video and don't forget to subscribe. If not, you go to miss from important matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development, Haji Mohammed Sobo. I know that Zobo, lo have been a Sobo, they try to talk, but anyhow. Now in them be that, and this one where they talk about now 74 years old man. Una no go believe this man just marry. And person wey he marry, no be any other person. The girl get 18 years old. She still the secondary school, as now they hear me like that. 74. Marry 18 when still the secondary school. I no just understand some kind of combination. And according to Mata wey reach me, they say now only 3 representatives of this minister wey we dey talk about now attend the wedding. No. He want everybody say want make wedding be confidential. He say you know want make anybody come out. You know what? In fact, as we dey talk now, Minister of Agriculture dey in house, they cultivate on this 18-year-old girl body. They cultivate seriously. The girl self don't move inside house. They don't they leave us old banana. See, no, make una see the kind old people where Buhari just appoint to lift millions of Nigeria out of poverty. You see them, 74. Minister, Agriculture, 70. Like, I'm not just understand. Person will look like who go soon go join your ancestors self. Now, he they call rule concerning agriculture matter and rural development. Sometimes I wonder whether these people even know the meaning of the titles where they share. Una know the meaning of rural development. Whoa, una they give this kind man. No, tell me which business 74-year-old man. Which business this man at this age get to do with agriculture and Una no go understand. I don't tire. This now see this Buhari matter. If they give me chance, I go change many things in 1 hour. Yes, so because many things just they go wrong and they know they see. I don't know whether they don't blind. I don't know whether they don't feel just see say these things not they work. Not now, just come sit down for power. They destroy Nigeria from head to toe. 74, they marry 18. How? How? And now we they look on this way now. Imagine this one are people where they lead also. Imagine if the whole Nigeria must behave like this. Say any age where you want, just go marry. If you want to marry 7 years old and you are 45, marry. Just imagine we they live like that. How we want. No, like I don't understand. How would they expect that we go move forward like this? How? When our leaders themselves now them they defile little children. This is defilement. What do they call this one? Forget say they sit down do introduction. I be they put ring. I don't know whether not as they use ring safe. Forget that thing. This is defilement. 18 years. What did that guy even know? Some people forget to no be age. So some people they very young but they don't mature. Some people they don't mature but they don't like you don't understand. What did this girl fit do? See she even still in secondary school. So now one time he say this girl will continue to the focus for school. Even married women where they don't they very mature both in age, body and everything, where they still they go university. Some of them say they hard for them to focus. Now when you they young, it go dey easy for you to catch up. And now see now like this Nigeria don't fail. This one Nigeria don't fail. Pata. No, you don't understand. They don't get any other job where they go they do. No, which other work when I want them say these people they do. If not be to steal money, why tell they don't carry money, chop, spend them anyhow, marry underage. When they don't marry finish, they born picking. Before you know they just they travel for medical checkup. Now the only work where they do nothing. No, okay, this same Minister of Agriculture where we they talk about list one thing. If I tell you me list 3 now, I go just give you a headache. Just give me one thing where this man don't do. Minister of Agriculture, Rural Development. Oh yeah, show me the thing. And you go tell me say they work. They are doing their work. Clueless old men in government. Now what I just they see. I feel bet with my life. This one not be joke. I feel bet with this my life. Say this man, even to operate computer, I know if you operate computer. But he carry big position, sit down for that seat. I'm the minister of agriculture. Hey. The country wey Buhari don cause for us. No problem. The reason why they bring this thing like this, so that all of una when they plan to vote, una go dey see o. Before una go talk say we didn't know. Nobody gave us reasons. Because if you need more reasons, I have more reasons to give you people. And I will continue to give you people more reasons. You understand? I will make una shine una eyes. Before Nigeria go turn to northern country, the whole of Nigeria will just turn to northern country. Shine your eyes, very, very important. Shorty here, I no go talk at 2 times. But people, wait till nothing concerning this matter, because if you now ask me, I bet me to just remove this man. He does not even deserve to be minister, not talk of agriculture and rural development. I'm not seeing wetin they develop. Instead, even they scatter the things. You understand? I beg, drop her for that comment section. I want to know waiting you they think. And if you never subscribe, because wait till they wait for, just click on that thing. And make sure say you drop your comment. I go reply on a 1 by 1. Share this video once again. Everybody need know waiting they happen. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.